Aloha and welcome to KTA's Quick and Known Recipes. I'm Chef Ryan Covert and today we're making a cauliflower goat cheese gratin. Let's get started. Preheat the oven to 375 degrees. Cut the cauliflower into small pieces and place into a greased 8-inch by 11-inch baking dish. In a medium-sized sauce pot over medium heat, add the stock, goat cheese, cream cheese, garlic, salt and pepper, whisking gently to smooth out the mixture. Once smooth, pour sauce over the cauliflower and toss to coat evenly. To make the topping, combine the parmesan cheese, panko, butter, and chives into a small bowl and toss together well. Sprinkle evenly over the cauliflower mixture. Place the cauliflower into the oven and bake for 30 to 35 minutes until it's tender and top is browned. Enjoy this great side dish with a hearty entree. For this recipe and more, please visit KTA Superstores.com/recipes.